Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been liking and subscribing as of recently. It really means a lot, you know, so keep doing that, keep hitting that thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. So we've got my 90 centimeter aquarium here. This will be the planting video. This is part 2. If you haven't seen how this has been constructed before, please check the link down below and I will relay that for you guys to see how I've managed to create all this hardscape, all the rock and the wood inside the aquarium. Huge thank you to Tropico, who's actually provided all these plants for me to create such a beautiful aquascape. 4 years ago, I started my aquascaping journey. So whilst you may look at this tank and think, wow, yeah, it looks nice, it looks good, I'm just a beginner. You know, I was just a beginner 4 years ago. So honestly, anything is possible in this hobby. Just put your mind to it and you will definitely be able to create something as beautiful as this. Without sounding too biased, of course. It is my tank. So I'm entitled to say I think it looks nice. But you let me know, guys, what you think about this aquarium down below. So not really much has changed. We still are going to be running the lights for about 8 hours a day. I've got the CO2, which is actually pumping through the aquarium as we speak. That actually comes on 4 hours before the lights go on and 4 hours before the lights go off. I've taken the drop checker out now because I'm kind of at that stage where I know that the CO2 levels are at a good level. For me, I just like no sort of obstructions inside my tank, so having a drop checker in there, for me, it make it feel ugly. It's just, yeah. But there's no real issues. We've planted very, very heavily. So as you can see, hell of a lot of plants have gone in here. And that's because, you know, the risk of any melting of plants in the beginning stages, if you plant heavy, you have less of a risk for anything melting and any sort of problems that may occur. I am still continuing my water changes. I'm not doing daily water changes anymore, but I am doing probably 2, maybe 3 big water changes a week. I have added some Amano shrimp in here as well. I'll probably be adding some otter cinclus catfish. We've actually kind of, I don't know, we've kind of skipped the diatom stage really. I don't know whether the diatoms are probably about to come. But I'm going to get the ottos in there just to make sure that they sort of clean up any of them diatoms. And then, yeah, they're going to take care of that, especially with the Amanos. But let me know, guys, enough rambling and waffling from me. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you on the next one.
Like a fire.